Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the like and share button. 9 foods you should eat if you have a sore throat. If you are like many people who loves eating, suffering from a sore throat can be frustrating and devastating. What can you eat if you have a sore throat? Coconut oil. Coconut oil is antimicrobial, and that means it could attack fungi, bacteria, and other viruses. By doing so, your immune system could do its magic and fix the problem fast. Coconut oil is also anti-inflammatory, and that means it could soothe irritation, pain, and scratchiness. Warm water with honey. It could reduce inflammation. Garlic. Garlic contains anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it ideal for those who suffer from a sore throat. Cinnamon. It contains antifungal, antiviral, and antibacterial properties that could suppress Staphylococcus, Candida albicans, and E. coli. It could also help in easing the discomfort and pain due to sore throat. Mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes are soft, easy to swallow, and filling. Warm tea with ginger, garlic, and honey. Ginger and garlic have anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the discomfort caused by sore throat. It can also boost your immune system. Green tea. Green tea offers a lot of health benefits, and that includes warding off symptoms of sore throat. Soup. Soup is always on top of the list. Even though any soup can be consumed, most people like less thick and clearer soup when they're not feeling well because they're easier to swallow. Macaroni and cheese. Just like mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese is easy to swallow, plus, they're filling too. Do you have other tips you would like to add to our list? Let us know what you think about the video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.